the context of pursuing a sustainable and resilient development agenda, it becomes imperative to address disaster risk and promote disaster resilience. It is important that within such a context, we communicate hazard, risk, and vulnerability information and knowledge to the populace. In today's world, we have many conduits and platforms by which we can share valuable information in ways which caters to many segments or groups in the population. As we brace ourselves for what is predicted to be another active hurricane season, this committee thought it prudent and beneficial to harness the resources of the emergency management, information, and media communities to ensure that the public has the most up-to-date, reliable, and accurate information that is required to make the best informed decisions on how to protect themselves, family, property, and community.